Welcome to our channel as we look at one of the simplest way you'll be able to invest your money beginning the year 2026. Have you heard of Ziidi Trader? If you're a constant investor on NSE, you must have heard about it. But if not, it's such great news to know that starting January 2026, buying of shares on NSE will be so easy. Ziidi Trader, a platform in the M-pesa App, will allow anyone interested in buying of shares to be able to do it at the comfort of their home. After starting its pilot program in 2024, Ziidi Trader is finally wrapping up its pilot phase and rolling it out to investors who have M-pesa App. In this video, we'll have a brief preview of how the platform will work and what you can be able to do as you wait for the official rollout of the Ziidi Trader. As of September 2025, Ziidi had 1.15 million customers, representing around 47.9% of the 2.4 million individual investors in the unit trust scheme. This is according to the June 2025 register of the CMA. So how will this platform work? Well, Ziidi Trader will allow deposit and withdrawal to be made directly through M-pesa. This will significantly reduce entry barriers for retail investors and make accessibility to CMA easier. Investors will trade through an omnibus account structure. In simple terms, omnibus account structure is a pool of multiple investors' funds put in a single account managed by licensed brokers operating in the background. Through Ziidi, you'll be able to browse listed companies, place or buy shares orders, and settle transactions instantly through M-pesa. The money comes off to your wallet when you buy shares and goes back when you sell. No separate brokerage account is required at the entry stage. According to NSE Chief Executive Frank Mwiti, this approach will finally crack open retail investor participation. Between 2023 and 2025, the number of active investors at NSE grew by only 0.2%, adding only 2,621 traders to reach 1.3 million traders. For the longest time, investing in shares meant finding a stockbroker, filling out your Know Your Customer form, opening a trading account, and wading through a process that felt designed to keep regular people out. Ziidi Trader eliminates most of that friction. This initiative builds on the success of the Ziidi Money Market Fund launched in December 2024, which enables Kenyans to invest directly from their mobile phones with free deposits and withdrawals via M-pesa and a minimum investment amount of Kenya shillings 100. The NSE crossed the Kenyan shillings 3.044 trillion valuation mark in November 2025. But even with this success, only a few new investors have joined the market. What most people might not know is that this development comes at a especially important time because stock investment is a good area to invest in. You can be able to diversify your investment from traditional ways like real estate and bank deposit. If you're interested in investing your money in Ziidi, your biggest assignment right now would be understanding how to invest in the best shares in the market, how you can be able to analyze different companies, their performance, profitability, expansion risk, and many others. As NSE targets 9 million active retail investors by 2029, Ziidi Trader gives Kenyans a good opportunity to join in. The biggest challenge will go to stockbrokers who have so far accused NSE of trying to cut them out of the business entirely. For Safaricom, Ziidi Trader will open another revenue stream, and in 2025, it earned Kenyan shillings 100 million from Ziidi MMF, about 0.6% of the fund asset base.